Hi, today we are going to see our new module which we developed for front accounting. It's a kind of approval module. We have to follow some approvals based on the organizational hierarchy, and we can delegate the jobs, and based on their permissions they can go on with their work. Simply the front accounting is following page level permissions, so we have to do something better with that one to make it this module workable. And we have created it's a separate module, so you don't affect any of your core files, so you don't need to fear for the updates of futures. We can update the front accounting very well. It will work on all future updates as well. And thing is, here to the demonstration, I'm going to use 3 different roles, and I'm starting with Chrome. Actually, this is that administrator role. I'm the one having this 3 accounts now, and for Chrome browser I'm using this administrator, and this is with that Safari, and this is with the Brave browser. So together I'm going to with the 3 roles, and then creating transactions, and how it will reflect in this real-time scenario. Okay, let's take a look at the settings part. We have only 2 links, which is one is approval setup and then approval inquiry. From the approval setup, we will list the type of transactions that we are allowing to create these things. We have some other module that is also coming here. We just ignore that one. We will go with the core files only. So here I'm just starting with the sales one. I'm just going with the sales invoice now. And here we have to define the hierarchy from top level role to the bottom one. So here system administrator, I am the top one here. I'm just submitting it. And the second level it's opening, so I'm just going with the senior now, and that's also submitting. And then third one is the junior level. It's the least one. They have to create the entries based on from here. So it's done now. We have configured only 3 roles. Even it will come there. Up to 10 levels of you can create with this one. Hope you may not use more than 10 levels of approval. Let's go with this demo actually. Okay. So this junior is the third one. So I'm going to the Brave browser now, and then here I need to make one direct invoice now, actually sales invoice. Then the transaction type based, I'm just in this one. So I'm just going here and then choosing this customer, and I know fiscal is not allowed, so I'm just creating the fiscal year now. It's 2022 and this year. So this added one. I'm going to the setup again. And this I'm doing from the KV codes user. This is a super admin user. Okay, now I'm just going back to the Brave again. Refresh it here. I can see the date is applied here now. And then adding this one transaction. And then I'm making it as a due payment. Maybe later we can record this payment. And paste this URL. See, this URL is change it to this module and approval submitted. And here you can see the submitted transaction. You can see this all the information of invoice that you have created. Even the order and delivery details also coming into this one. Now it's going to this approval inquiry. From here you can see this is you have applied for this approval. So you can view this transaction until it's approved. You cannot make any other changes. So we have no options to do this one. And then I'm going to the Chrome now, and then going to the approval. And here I used to select that transaction type that I'm doing this. This is the one. Actually here on the top one, I don't have a privilege to approve the senior one. Actually this hierarchical level we are following. So the senior has to approve. After that only I can get these things. See here. So I need to go to the Safari now. And then I'm here now. I'm just going to the same approval inquiry and selecting the transaction type as a sales invoice. See, now I'm here. I have this edit option, approve option directly, or this rejection. Maybe if I go here, I can put some rejection details here. Just reject, and then submit it. And I just need to check this again. Okay, it's rejected now. So this side, that's why it's showing in red color. Now I'm going back to the junior level. So the Brave browser again. If you see this is rejected, I can see the detail why it's rejected, reason is rejected, who rejected, and this is also coming here. And then here I have to edit this again. maybe I need to increase the quantity or something else. This is the edit invoice, so update and resubmit it now. Then I'm going to the Safari again. Here if I refresh here, see this is again reappeared, so the red flag has been removed. Either I can apply this approve directly here or edit this one to do this myself. If I need to edit something myself, I can edit and do it. I'm simply approving now. I just approve this transaction now. It's been taking time. Okay, this invoice is created to the core now. It's created now. You can see this is invoice created. Now this invoice has to be linked with the approved transaction. So we are going to the Brave again, and here we are saying this, and this is the one going to the next level of approval. So this is waiting for another level, approved by the senior, and it's waiting for the top approval. So we have to go to the Brave Chrome now, and then we are refreshing this. We can see this transaction coming here. I'm just approving it again, and this is finally approved. This invoice has been created now. You can see this is created in the core now. And then I'm going back to Brave and refresh this page. It's approved. See the top question. Oh, this word is not awaiting to be approved. And here you can see this transaction is created and then the entry was booked. Now if you go to this approval inquiry, you can see this transaction has been approved, and you can see the approved transaction details. Like that, this will work on all the listed modules, like order, sales order, quotation, customer credit note, delivery, payment, purchase order, invoice, supply invoice, credit note, supply payment, GRN, journal entry, bank payment, deposit, fund transfer, inventory transfer, and adjustment. All these things will work on here. Thank you. Hope you understand this module. And we have not given this module in all the modules. Like people are asking why this is not given to this invoice. We wanted to keep these things separate one. That's the reason we didn't go into this core module and touch up these things there. If you want, you can go there. You can even simply place these links to make it from here. That will work there. But hope this will be a good module for you to use it. If you have multi-level of approval, you can use this module very well. Thank you. I'll leave a comment here. Thank you.